Today we're doing a quick build-up video of our brand new MX250 bikes available in both 12 and 14 inch. Firstly, you'll need to cut the tie wraps which are holding the handlebars and remove the covering off the throttle. For ease, prop the bike up using the foam packaging. This will keep it balanced so you have both hands free to build it up. We're going to pop the front wheel on. You need to put the spindle through the wheel and the forks, putting a spacer either side of the wheel. Then you need a washer on the outside of each fork, followed by a nut. Then we're going to attach the handlebars. Firstly, you need to remove the top two halves of the clamps. Then rest the handlebars in place and put the top two parts back over the handlebar. Then put the 4 bolts back in. Don't quite tighten these all the way until you move the handlebars into the correct position for your kid. Then tighten fully. Using the Allen key, slightly loosen the brake lever and throttle to adjust those into the correct position and tighten. After that, we're going to fit the front number board and mudguard. Take the 2 smaller bolts and attach the bracket onto the top of the mudguard. Then, using one of the longer bolts, attach this to the bike, ensuring the bracket is behind the brake cables. Now, take the number board and the remaining bolt and screw it in at the top. Now the build-up is complete. Just in front of the seat you will find the charging port. The switch on the throttle side is to turn the bike on and off, and on the other side you'll see the switch for the 2-speed settings. There is an adjustable rear spring which will slightly higher or lower the seat and front suspension. So there you have it. Your new MX250 is ready to ride. Before first use, make sure you charge it for the full amount of time stated in the manual. Please make sure that the bike is switched off when charging, and periodically check that all nuts and bolts are tight, as they may come loose during use.